a white screen problem. Hello, welcome to this tutorial. Today we're going to fix a Chinese mobile with white screen problem. So let me turn on the phone. So the phone is on. So the phone is on and can do everything, but the problem is this white screen. So this is the problem with this phone. So let me try to turn it off. So the phone is off. So we are going to fix this problem. So first of all, to remove the battery. The battery is off. So this is our guide on how to fix a white display with 20 pin LCD. So the pin number 1 should have a resistance on this range, and pin number 3 is ground, pin number 4, number 5, and pin number 6 is not connected. Pin number 6 up to 14 the same resistance, and up to 19 pin the same resistance, and pin number 20 is ground. So we turn on the multimeter, switch the meter and diode mode. Over here, this is diode mode. So we are going to measure the resistance on this pin, but note that before start, the red probe should be ground and the black probe should be on the pins. This is the ground. So this is the red probe should be on the ground here. This is the ground, and this is the ground on. So this is the pin number 1. So this is the pin number 1. So pin number 1 should have this resistance range. So put ready probe on ground, and this is the pin number 1. So you see the resistance is ready probe on ground, and this on pin number 1. So on pin number 1 we have 409 and 10. So this is the resistance. So this is fine. So pin number 2 we have the reading on the range is good, and pin number 3 we have ground. So you see the meter, you hear the beep on the meter. So this is the ground. Pin number 4 we must have this range. So I'm going to check on pin number 4. 1 2 3 4. So this is pin number 4. So the resistance on the range. Pin number 5 on the range. So pin number 6 is this is the reading of pin number 6 is different from others. So let's go to pin number 7. Reading is good. Pin number 8 is good. Pin number 9 is good. Pin number 10 is good. 11 good. 12 good. 13 is good, and 14 is good. Pin number 15 reading is good. 16 is good. 17 is good. 18 is good. 19 is good, and 20, pin number 20 is the ground. So here the beep from the meter. Pin number 20 is the ground. So we have no problem here. So I think the problem is the LCD itself. So let's try to replace with a new LCD. So let me try to remove this. So take the gun. So I'm going to remove this LCD and try with a new one. So we're going to remove this LCD. So the LCD is out. So we're going to replace it with a new one. So this is the new LCD screen. So this is the new one. So we're going to test this. And this is the old one. So this is LCD has a problem itself of a white display. So we're going to test the new one. Make sure the phone is off. So I'm going to test first before I install this new LCD. So I'm going to turn it on. So let's try to put it properly. So I'm going to test the new LCD. So I'm going to turn on the phone. So the phone is on. But it's still white. So I'm going to turn it off. So let's try again. So let's try again. Turn on the phone. So the phone is on, and you see the display is good. So you see the display is good. So this means that the problem is LCD, that all the LCD is dead. So you see it display fine. So I'm going to turn off the phone. So the phone is off. So I'm going to install this LCD. So turn on the heat gun. So I'm going to install the new LCD because it's good. This is our gun. So we're going to install this new LCD. So let's take the soldering paste. Take small amount of soldering paste. So take the solder one. So cleanse the gun. So let's cleanse the gun. So we're going to install this new LCD. So join this pin one by one properly. So take a tweezer. We need a tweezer. So join the pin properly. Make sure no loose pin. So you can cleanse again. So you can increase the solder if the solder on the body is not enough. In order to join this pin properly, you can increase the solder. So you can reduce excess solder. So guys, we have already joined the new LCD on the board. So let's clean the pins with the benzene. So be careful with benzene. Make sure it does not touch this LCD. So we are cleaning this soldered pin. And test if it's good. So let me turn on the phone. So you see the phone logo. So the phone is on and the display is good. So guys, you see the phone is display is good, it's fine. So this is a problem. So sometimes white screen are caused by the LCD itself. So this LCD is dead with a white screen. So this is how to fix a white screen problem on Chinese mobile. The phone is good. The phone now is good. So let's go to menu. So the phone is fine. So guys, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, to like and share. Thank you.